So we've chose to go right and do mini roundabouts. So we'll do a right turn. So with mini roundabouts, blue sign, circle sign, white arrows on the, that's what you're looking for. And if that sign's missing, painted white, island, usually a flat island, sometimes it's got a little bit of a bump on them. And you give way to your right and you follow it clockwise when you go round it. So I can see one in the distance straight away, and we're going to go right turn on it. Now most of the time you'll probably go around a mini roundabout in second gear, but on this one we're going to use first gear because there's no ahead and it's quite narrow. You can see the blue sign on the left. We're going to do a right turn. So we're going to slow down for first gear because second gear will be way too fast because of the fact that there's a curb on the other side of it and there's no straight on. Slowing down for first. Check to the right and take me time and a big turn to avoid that curb. And the second one straight in front of us, we're going to go left. Centre mirror left, signalling left. Nice easy one. Keep an eye on that woman. Look up the road. It's easier. And we'll go and do some more now. So as always, it's a bit frosty this morning, so we're just going to take our time on these little side roads because they could be quite slippy. And we're going to go left at the end of here, or left coming up, cover the brake, looking down the side road, taking me time. Pop it in third at this point. Taking me time covering the brake. At the end of this road we're going to be doing a left turn. Centre mirror, left mirror, dropping down to second gear, and I'm looking what's going on with the traffic, taking me time, covering the clutch, looks pretty clear, and carrying on. Back to third gear. I want to keep it in second at this point. And we're just going to do a right at the end of this road, and that'll take us back to some more mini roundabouts. So it's centre mirror right, signalling, dropping down to second gear, checking what's going on. Oh, I'm going to use first gear because it looks a bit busy, and I'm not going to use the handbrake. I'm going to use gas and clutch and hold it still on the hill there. So if you're wondering how to do that one, then watch the video at the top here on the hill starts that I've done on a couple of videos prior to this. And I'm following the road ahead. And in the distance there's some more mini roundabouts. And like I say, with mini roundabouts, give way to traffic on your right. If there's no right turn on your immediate right, then you're looking ahead of yourself and giving way to traffic who's coming through, turning right, coming across you. So we've got a warning sign on the left where the bus stop is saying speed bumps, maximum speed 10 miles an hour for 100 yards. Priorities for the oncoming cars. Now I'm going to give you a little bit more space than normal because there's the bus in the distance, so I'm going to stop about a car length short of the giveaway point for the bus because it needs a bit more space. Pop it in first, not using the handbrake, in first gear, bit of gas, and I'm waiting for that red car. I'll lift the clutch a little bit but not a lot, and then I'm going to start moving forward now and then carrying on. So we've got two mini roundabouts coming up and we're going to go ahead on both of them. So on the first one, obviously give way to your right. So I'm in second gear, checking to my right, looks fairly clear. It's still clear, that white car's quite far away. Second one I'm going to go ahead, keep an eye on that car in front of me because he might turn. Yeah, it's turning. A bit late with the signal he was. Now, little tip for you, if you're going to do a right turn onto oncoming cars, get your signal on nice and early. Everyone can react to that because they were quite late then, they were about to enter the roundabout and they signalled. We're going to do right at this roundabout. So a great example, As I come out, mirrors to the right, signalling, everybody knows now before I even get there that I'm going to go right. So there's no confusion. Everyone's got time to react to that. If you've enjoyed this short video on mini roundabouts and you want to watch a few more on mini roundabouts, then I'm going to put a little video at the end for you, and I'm also going to put a video in the description. So take care, hope you've enjoyed the interactive videos, and see you on the next one.